it's Friday. Flip you around. Yeah, so it's Friday. Yesterday night I did the drop, got a few orders, which was lovely, and I'm just going to get them packed now. The first one I'm going to pack, I'm going to do like a reel of packing it too, which is kind of a nice way to do two things at once. I'm going to get that one packed now, and then I'll probably just film a bit of me doing it, but maybe just like with no sound. I think I showed you all of the stockings, all the stockings there, so they're all ready to go. The one that has been ordered is this cute one with hearts, so I'm going to get that ready to send now. I thought I'd made gift bags, but I actually have only cut out the fabric. So, okay, first thing I need to do is make a gift bag and then we'll pack. Cool. Okay, so I have the order all packed and ready in here. So that is the stocking ready to go. And I'm going to pack the other order now. Okay, so it's Sunday today, and today is the day of the market. So I've just come in, I've grabbed everything that I need from the studio. I have the car full outside, my mom's waiting, so I'm going to run outside now, and I might take a little bit of footage of the market just so you can see my setup. I'm doing loads of them this month, so yeah, I'll bring you along, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be speaking, but I'll show you a little bit of the setup when it's done. So it is Monday today. Got some orders come through, which is great, so I'm going to get them packed for the morning, and see where I am time wise after that. Did a market yesterday, went really well, so I don't necessarily need to make more product this week, I don't think anyway. So this morning I'm just going to get going with printing off orders and then getting them ready to send. So easy enough morning. I'm just going to listen to loads of podcasts and have a nice time and make coffee. So I've just finished packing the collars, they're ready to go, and then next up is an order for one of these bag charms. So you can see they're kind of quite oversized. I'll hold it up by the mirror actually. Yeah, so they're quite oversized to have like on your bag. So I'm going to get that packed up and ready to go now. I already just made a nice bag for it. It's like a baby pink with the red, which is lovely for Christmas. I don't know whether this is a gift or not, but I kind of pack, at Christmas I pack everything like gifts. So if someone orders more than one thing, I pack them separately because they're more than likely gifts. So yeah, let's get this packed now.